Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that many people see every day but very few truly understand. Fake life. Not just social media posts. Not just filters. Not just showing off. A deeper kind of fake. The kind where a person slowly disconnects from who they really are. The kind where life starts to look perfect from the outside, but feels empty from the inside. This is not about judging others. This is about understanding a pattern that is becoming more common every day. Many people today are not living their real life. They are performing a version of life. They wake up and think about how their day will look to others. They choose what to wear, what to say, what to share, not based on what they feel, but based on what will get approval. Over time, this creates a gap. A gap between the real self and the projected self. And the bigger this gap becomes, the more difficult it is to feel peace. Because deep inside, the mind knows the truth. Fake living does not start suddenly. It grows slowly. It begins with comparison. You see someone else's success, someone else's lifestyle, someone else's happiness. And without realizing it, you start measuring your life against theirs. You feel like you are behind. You feel like you are not enough. So you try to adjust your image. You start showing only the best parts. You hide your struggles. You hide your confusion. You hide your failures. At first, it feels harmless. But slowly, it becomes a habit. The problem is not that people want to improve their life. Improvement is natural. Growth is important. The problem is when improvement turns into imitation. When people stop asking, "What do I truly want?" and start asking, "What looks impressive?" This shift changes everything. Because now, decisions are no longer based on truth. They are based on appearance. And when life becomes about appearance, authenticity disappears. If you look closely, people living a fake life are often very busy. They are always doing something. Always posting. Always updating. Always showing progress. But inside, there is a constant pressure. A pressure to maintain the image. A pressure to stay consistent with the version they have created. This pressure becomes exhausting. Because maintaining a false identity requires energy. And that energy drains mental peace. If you are serious about understanding life at a deeper level and want to build a mindset that is real, strong, and grounded, make sure you subscribe. On this channel, you will not get shallow motivation. You will get clear thinking, practical insights, and real guidance that helps you grow from the inside, not just look good on the outside. Subscribe now and let's grow together. The first thing you must understand is this. Fake life is not always intentional. Many people do not even realize they are doing it. They believe they are just trying to fit in. They believe they are just doing what everyone else is doing. But fitting in often comes at a cost. The cost is your originality. When you constantly adjust yourself to match others, you slowly forget what your natural self feels like. You start doubting your own preferences. You start second-guessing your own thoughts. One of the biggest signs of a fake life is the fear of being seen as you are. When a person cannot share their real opinions, their real struggles, their real emotions, it creates a kind of internal tension. They feel like they are acting all the time. Even in normal conversations, they filter their words. They think too much before speaking. They try to say what sounds right instead of what feels true. Over time, this creates disconnection. Not just from others, but from themselves. Another important point is this. Fake life often looks successful. From the outside, everything seems perfect. Good photos, good lifestyle, good achievements. But success without authenticity does not feel fulfilling. Because fulfillment comes from alignment. When your actions match your values. When your life reflects your truth. Without that alignment, even success feels empty. You achieve something, but you cannot fully enjoy it. Because deep inside, it does not feel real. Social media plays a big role in this pattern. It is designed to highlight the best moments. It rewards attention. It rewards perfection. It rewards image. But real life is not perfect. Real life has confusion. Real life has mistakes. Real life has slow progress. When people only show the highlights, it creates a distorted picture. And when others see this picture, they feel like they are falling behind. This cycle continues. Everyone tries to look better. But fewer people feel better. It is important to understand that fake living is not sustainable. At some point, the pressure becomes too much. The gap between the real self and the fake self becomes too large. This is when people start feeling lost. They start questioning everything. They ask, who am I really? This question is uncomfortable. But it is also the beginning of truth. Because once you start asking this question honestly, change becomes possible. Real living starts with awareness. You have to notice where you are being fake. Not in a harsh way. Not with judgment. But with honesty. Ask yourself simple questions. Am I doing this because I truly want it, or because it looks good? Am I saying this because I believe it, or because it sounds right? These questions bring clarity. And clarity is the first step toward authenticity. Another important step is accepting imperfection. Fake life is often driven by the need to look perfect. But perfection is not real. It is an idea. When you accept that it is okay to make mistakes, it becomes easier to be yourself. You stop trying to control every detail. You become more relaxed. And when you are relaxed, your real personality starts to come out. It is also important to reduce comparison. Comparison is one of the fastest ways to lose your authenticity. Because when you compare, you shift your focus from your own path to someone else's path. And no two paths are the same. Everyone has different strengths, different struggles, different timing. When you understand this deeply, comparison starts losing its power. You focus more on your own growth. Living a real life does not mean you stop improving. It means you improve in a way that is true to you. It means setting goals that actually matter to you, not just goals that impress others. It means building habits that support your well-being, not just habits that look productive. This kind of growth is slower on the outside, but stronger on the inside. Another powerful shift is learning to be comfortable with silence. People living fake lives often fear silence. They feel the need to constantly show something, say something, prove something. But real strength comes from being okay without constant validation. When you can sit quietly without feeling the need to impress anyone, you start building inner stability. And that stability is more valuable than external approval. Relationships also change when you move from fake living to real living. Fake life attracts surface level connections. People connect with your image, not with you. But when you are authentic, you attract deeper connections. People connect with your truth. These relationships may be fewer, but they are stronger. They bring more meaning and support. It is also important to understand that being real does not mean sharing everything. Authenticity is not about exposing every detail of your life. It is about being honest in what you choose to share. It is about not pretending. You can be private and still be real. The key is alignment, not exposure. Over time, as you practice living more authentically, something interesting happens. Your confidence changes. It becomes quieter. It becomes more stable. You do not need constant validation. You do not need constant approval. You feel more comfortable in your own skin. And this kind of confidence is very powerful because it is not dependent on others. Another benefit of real living is clarity. When you are not trying to maintain a fake image, your mind becomes clearer. You make decisions faster. You understand your priorities better. You waste less energy on things that do not matter. This clarity improves every area of life. Work becomes more focused. Relationships become more genuine. Personal growth becomes more meaningful. It is also worth noting that choosing a real life is not always easy. There will be moments where being real feels uncomfortable. You may feel different. You may feel misunderstood. Some people may not like the change. But discomfort is part of growth. And in the long run, authenticity brings more peace than approval ever can. At the end of the day, the question is simple. Do you want to look successful, or do you want to feel fulfilled? Because these are not always the same. A fake life can look perfect, but a real life feels meaningful. And meaning is what creates long-term happiness. So take a moment and reflect. Look at your daily actions. Look at your choices. Look at your thoughts. Where are you being real? And where are you performing? You do not need to change everything at once. Start small. Be honest in one conversation. Make one decision based on your true preference. Express one real opinion. These small steps create big changes over time. Remember this. You do not need to become someone else to have a valuable life. You do not need to impress everyone to be respected. You do not need to look perfect to be worthy. Your real self, with all its imperfections, is enough. And when you start living from that place, life becomes lighter, clearer, and more meaningful. Keep going. Stay honest. Stay grounded. Your real life is waiting for you. As you move forward, you will begin to notice something subtle but powerful. The more real you become, the less you feel the need to prove anything. Earlier, you may have felt a constant urge to show progress, to explain yourself, to justify your choices. But now, that urgency slowly disappears. You understand that not everyone needs to understand your journey. Not everyone needs to approve your decisions. And that realization gives you a quiet kind of freedom. There is also a shift in how you see others. When you stop living a fake life, you also stop expecting others to be perfect. You become more understanding. You see beyond people's surface. You realize that behind every perfect image, there may be struggles, doubts, and insecurities. This awareness makes you more compassionate. And instead of comparing, you start connecting. Instead of judging, you start understanding. At this stage, your priorities begin to change. You stop chasing attention and start valuing peace. You stop focusing only on results and start appreciating the process. You begin to enjoy small moments, simple conversations, quiet time, personal growth that no one else sees. These moments may not look impressive, but they feel real. And that feeling is what creates lasting satisfaction. You also become more responsible for your own life. When you are no longer hiding behind an image, you cannot blame others or circumstances as easily. You face your reality. You accept where you are. And from that place, you start building honestly. This kind of growth may not be fast, but it is strong. Because it is built on truth, not illusion. In the end, living a real life is not about becoming perfect. It is about becoming honest. Honest with your thoughts. Honest with your choices. Honest with your path. And when you live with that honesty, something important happens. You stop feeling divided inside. Your outer life and inner life start to match. There is no performance. There is no pressure to maintain an image. There is just you, living your life in a way that feels right. And that is the real goal. Not a life that looks perfect from the outside, but a life that feels peaceful from the inside. Because when your life feels real, you do not need to escape it. You do not need to pretend. You do not need to prove anything. You simply live it, fully and honestly. So choose truth, even if it is uncomfortable. Choose authenticity, even if it feels slow. Because in the long run, a real life will always be stronger than a fake one. And one day, you will look back and realize that the moment you stopped pretending was the moment your life truly began. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.